Tlayuda is a beloved dish from Oaxaca, consisting of a large, crispy corn tortilla with all sorts of delicious toppings. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this tlayuda with a freshly made crispy tortilla, topped with pureed black beans, chiles, fermented fennel, arugula, and smoked mushrooms. First, let's make our fermented fennel. Combine a thinly sliced fennel bulb, red onion, garlic, and salt. Massage to release moisture from the vegetables. Cover the vegetables with plastic wrap and press for 1 or more hours to extract moisture. Place the fennel mixture into a fermentation crock, covered with any pickling liquid that was extracted. Cover, but don't seal the crock. Allow it to sit at room temperature, 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, until the desired flavor is achieved, about 3 to 7 days on average. Let's make our black bean puree. Here I have guajillo chiles that I've stemmed and seeded. Soak them in warm, prepared Knorr Professional Ultimate Vegetable Base for about 15 to 30 minutes until they're soft. Remove the soaked guajillo chiles and be sure to reserve the flavorful soaking liquid. In a blender, puree the chiles with just enough of the broth to get a smooth texture. Reserve. Here, I have some chopped, roasted, and peeled poblano and serrano chiles with the stems and seeds removed. Pulse black beans and the chile puree in a food processor until slightly pureed. They should still be somewhat chunky. To this, add the chopped peppers, cumin, and salt. Mix well. The consistency of the puree should be spreadable. If it's too thick, you can thin it with the remaining chile soaking liquid. Reserve. Now onto the smoked mushrooms, which will add a savory and meaty component to the dish. Place some assorted mushrooms in a smoker and smoke for 20 minutes. Once the mushrooms are done smoking, roast them in a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes to concentrate the flavors. For a creamy garnish, I'm mixing together Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise with roasted garlic puree. Go ahead and place that in a squeeze bottle for ease of use. Now we're ready to put together our tlayudas. Here, I have some fresh homemade tortillas that I've grilled on both sides. And here, I have heated the hot bean puree, our smoked and roasted mushrooms, and fennel. Spread the bean puree on a crispy corn tortilla. Top with the smoked mushrooms, fermented fennel, and arugula, tossed with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Drizzle with our vegan garlic aioli. And there you have it. A black bean tlayuda made using Knorr Professional Liquid Concentrated Vegetable Base and Hellmann's vegan mayo. This traditional Mexican dish offers a delicious balance of smoky, earthy, and creamy flavors.